Alright, let's take a look at ETRM. ETRM is finding resistance right here just because of a recent high over here. So 1, 2, 3 hits right here. Now if you look at the intraday chart, you can see that it's following the volume adjusted moving average. So it'll go all the way back up to and reached just over $10, about $10.25. Then went back down to the, well, you call it VWAP technically, but the volume adjusted moving average right here, which is a combination of volume weighted by the price. So the more volume in that price range, the more weight it has in this line, essentially what it is. So right now it's following this trend line right here. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger. So it's following this trend line right here. I would think that it would hit about $9 or let's see, like $9.13 or something like that before doing its reversal, or even hitting this this resistance right here before it starts making a little turnaround here. But we'll just have to wait and see what it does. This is all in theory. I'm just, looking to see if my predictions prove true. Continuing with ETRM, minute 9:33 a.m. Just some more predictions here. Pretty good bullish candle here. Looks like we have some indecisive market right here. Kind of looks like it wants a doji candle to start forming. If a doji does occur, or a negative candle, it could set the market sentiment towards a downtrend. If that does occur, it could go back down to this trend line. This is a pretty solid trend line for now. If the trend line is rejected, it will find the VWAP to an oversold level and probably bring back the sentiment towards a positive rise. If that doesn't occur, then it'll just head back down, and if you haven't sold, you should probably be thinking about selling. And here we have the formation of the doji candle at the end of the 5-minute candle. I would assume that because of this, the market sentiment would go towards a downtrend, just because this is a sign of bearishness, especially near the high of the previous close of this bullish candle right here. Although it did reach all the way up here, this profit taking did bring this candle down, suggesting a downward trend. Same thing is happening here. So if it doesn't accept this trend line towards a bullish sentiment, then it'll move back down to the VWAP like I said earlier. So 5-minute candle is continuously bouncing off of the trend line. The VWAP on the 1-minute candles, which is pretty popular for intraday traders, for 1 minute to 2 minutes, you can see that the VWAP is setting the standard for the support line right here. You can see that it went all the way up and is slowly falling back down, and it's probably going to meet horizontal resistance at this level right here. If it does break the trend, and probably is going to follow through throughout the day to this resistance right here. So we'll just have to wait and see where it's going. And as you can see right here, the trend was rejected, and I don't foresee much more upward trending for here. And this is going to be my last little update here. I'm kind of disinterested here. I'm going to look at other stocks, more towards swing trading. This was just an intraday analysis to see, if my predictability was on point. But yeah, that about sums that up. That was ETRM. The time is 9:44 a.m.